I'm Marlene de Priya, founder of Meno Wellness. Meno Wellness is supplements that was created specifically for women going through menopause. It was birthed out of my own frustration when I couldn't find adequate supplements with the correct combinations to assist me during this trying time. When women discover Meno Wellness, I want them to feel understood, that somebody actually cares about how they are feeling going through this transition of menopause. In developing my brand, I wanted a label that was soft, feminine, and that would speak to women. I was also looking for a label that was of excellent quality, consistency, and also looking at the finishing touches of the actual label. That was very important to me. I now have my label design. The next step was to find a supplier that would be able to walk this road with me and that would be reliable and consistent. That's when I found Pyrotec PackMedia. What I love about this label is the metallic and soft look. Pyrotec PackMedia has truly made my vision come to life. To any growing business owners, I want to say, invest in your brand. Invest in your labels, because that is the first thing that your customers look at. I've received amazing feedback on my labels from the ladies who have bought my product. That's why I want to say, branding matters. As I'm growing my business now, I'm so excited that I have found my partner in the label business, and that is Pyrotec, and I'm looking forward to an exciting journey with them as we grow together.